love these dual batteries. Look at that. Full power yet. 32 miles. Still showing all my bars. I love the dual battery. Dual battery makes it so much more fun. I can just ride and not have to worry about running out. On some days I get kind of crazy and ride 75 miles and then I worry a little bit, but I worry about having to ride back on 3 or something like that. So far I've never run out on this. And I've ridden 100 miles before, or almost 100 miles. And this is one of my favorite roads. This is what I rode 32 miles to get to. It's only about 2 or 3 miles long, but I really love it. I wish there'd be 50 miles of this. I'd ride it the whole way. But it is kind of windy today. Yeah, no wonder I felt like I was going with the breeze. I was. Now I'm riding into the breeze. Oh yeah. Yep, I love it back here. A lot of times I can find a road like this, but the road's not very well maintained. And so it's really rough, but this looks like they replaced it not too long ago. So it's like a private road in a park. There's only one house back here. Beautiful house up set in the woods here. Beautiful. Just a beautiful area back here. I just passed a pig farm and I'm talking to my wife the other day. I'd rather smell a pig farm than a chicken farm, and the reason being is pigs just smell. Chickens, there's actually feathers and dander and stuff flying in the air, so you end up breathing in. So I'd rather, even though a pig farm really smells bad, I'd rather smell the pig farm. It's just that smell. Usually. Photos seem too big. Getting close. Well, there you go. 9,100 miles. 9,100 miles. 900 away from my goal. I think I'm gonna do this. I think I'm gonna do this. Yeah. So stay tuned. See if Papa does it or not. Goodbye, good luck, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.